in any problem of isometric, you will be given with two views. Okay, it may be front view, top view. It may be front view, side view. Okay, and based on these two views, you will have to first visualize how the isometric object will look. Okay, and then once you visualize, then you will have to draw it. Okay, so there are many techniques, there are many tricks in drawing isometric objects. Those we'll see. But first and very important thing is that one should be able to visualize. Okay, from the given two drawings, one should be able to visualize. One should be able to visualize how the original object will look like. So now these two drawings. Okay, these two drawings are with me. Can you visualize this object now? Okay, with the help of front view and top view. It's a simple object of I shape with this much thickness. Okay, if this is the top view, and that means if you see from this side, that will give you front view. 1, 2, and 3. These are the three rectangles. So it's a very simple object. Now we'll first draw two lines perpendicular to each other. First line at the base, which is the horizontal line, and second line now which is perpendicular to the first this horizontal line. Then we draw two lines which are making 30 degrees, making an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. Okay. So this is a basic construction which is needed or which is common in any problem of isometry. Once you create this, then we'll observe the object and we will decide from which side to start. Okay, that means either I can start from this point and proceed in this direction, or I can start from this point and proceed in this direction. If I start from this point, it does mean that this point I am considering it here, okay, and this front view I will get when I see the object in this direction. Okay. If I start from this point, that means again this point is here, I will have to develop object in this direction. That is front view, this view, I will be able to see in this direction. Okay. Now, because anyway it is same, so I am starting this object from this side. Okay. Yes. So now what is the thickness given? 30. Now at a distance of 30 mm I will locate this first point. Okay. Yes. Everybody please pay attention here. It's very important. And then I will draw another line which is parallel to this line. Another line parallel to this. Similarly, to this point of 30 mm, I will draw again a line which is parallel to this second isometric. 1, 2, and 3, these three. If you remember, these are the three isometric axes. Okay, these three, the earlier discussion, these three are isometric axes. So most of the lines, always remember that they will be parallel to any of these three lines. I have drawn this. Now what I will draw first, I will try to locate the boundaries of this. That means thickness I have drawn. Now what is the total length here? 80 mm. So now from here at a distance of 80 mm I will locate this point. I will draw vertical to this. Okay. And now in this direction what is the length? 50. Okay. This is about the length. Now this is about the width. You can see maybe 50 mm. At a distance of 50 you locate one point here. Again draw vertical projector. Either you can draw vertical projector or maybe from this point you can measure 50 mm. By any method you will get the same. So now once these points are obtained, I will erase the unnecessary projector. And now, so this base I have obtained. To this point now I will draw a line parallel to this line. And to this point I will draw another line which is parallel to this line. And what I have obtained now, I have obtained this. I have obtained this base, the rectangular base, this top surface. Of course, it is not having these two features, these two cuts, but you can say the boundaries I have obtained, the outer block I have obtained. I can carve now the internal features in it. Okay. So once this is done, now I will focus on this front view. Okay. In the front view, what I want, this is the rectangle which I have to draw. What is the dimension given? 20 mm. So from this point now, at a distance of 20 mm, I will locate next point. From here also I can locate next point. This at a distance of 20 mm. And join this. And once I locate this, then I can make it that way. Because this rectangle, I am able to see. Now, what is the next rectangle? Okay. Next, this distance is 40. Dark now. I cannot, because I know that there is a level difference. I cannot see this rectangle. Okay, at the same level. Okay, so it is seen in the front view, in the top view I can see that. So I will just keep this space as it is. But this third rectangle I will draw. Again it is 20 mm. So from here, at a distance of 20 mm, the next point is already there. So I can make it done. Now I will take the help of the top view because I don't know how much I need to go inside with this information I am not getting from the front view. So in the top view now I will find out.
15.
So yeah, it is 15 because 30 minus 20 divided by 2. That means 15 mm I have to move inside. Okay. So which I will do it on the top surface. So first thing I will draw two lines passing through these 2 points and parallel to this. Like this. And on this line now, from here at a distance of 15 mm I will locate this point. At a distance of 15 mm I will locate this point. And then I can join it. So this I have completed. Now if you see, similar feature is there on other side also. Okay. Similar feature is there here. Here again I will now from say this 1, 2 and 3, these 3 lines I have drawn the top view. Okay. Now I will again reach to this point. I want to reach to this point. So I will continue. I will draw this line and this line. I can make it dark these features here. Similarly, this feature is also visible, so I can make it dark. And now what I want, again I want to locate these 2 points. We are again 15 mm inside on this correct lines only. You need to ensure that you are locating this 15 mm on this correct lines. Okay. So from here at a distance of 15 you can locate this. From here at a distance of 15 you can locate this. And then like this. So this top view you have obtained from the dimensions which were given in the top view. We have actually completed this top. Okay. Now again, whatever is not necessary, I erase all those projections which are not necessary for me. Here also this is not required. So now what is remaining? This top view we obtained, but I need to draw these 2 features. This and this. These 2 perpendicular surfaces are there. There is third surface also, but we know that it is hidden. And one of the very important property of isometric projection is that we don't show hidden features. The features which are hidden, so they are basically hidden features. We don't show it. So this feature will not be seen, this one, whereas these 2 features will be seen. So what I can do, what is the shortest way for drawing this feature is that, what is the thickness here? 30 mm. So through this point now, I will draw a vertical projector and I will take 30 mm distance. The distance equal to the thickness. And then I will again make it dark. Once I make it dark here, then through this point I will draw 2 lines which are parallel to the 2 basic isometric axes. Just like this. Through this point, first line parallel to this line, like this, and through this point, again second line parallel to this line. That's all. Basically, if you see, ideally it is like this. Correct? Ideally it is like this. This complete rectangular surface is there. But again, this remaining feature is hidden. Okay, it is not visible, it is hiding. So you will not draw it. Here what I have drawn, I will repeat it again. To this point I have just drawn a vertical projector, and on that projector I have taken distance equal to the thickness. Okay, thickness of this. Once I have located this point now at a distance of 30 mm, then I have just drawn 2 lines parallel to the 2 basic isometric axes. Okay, so this line is parallel to this line, and now this line, wherever it is intersected with the next line, we have stopped. And this line we have joined. And this is how we have completed this feature. Now there is only one feature remaining, that there is some portion of this vertical feature here. Okay, vertical surface, that also will be seen. For that, again I will draw a line from here, vertical line, vertical projector, and wherever it intersects the next line, to that line will extend. And with this, now whatever the remaining features which earlier we had purposefully kept as light lines with the light lines, that also we can completely retain. So now this is the required isometric drawing, isometric object which is satisfying the 2 given views, orthogonal. Once the object is complete, always remember that cross check of this object with a given two views. If it is satisfying each and every line, you can say that your object, your isometric drawing is complete. If few lines are not matching, you can surely say that there is some figure which is missing and you can work.